Google's Project Tango 3D smartphones will be heading to space to help NASA develop the next generation of space robots. They'll be attached to spheres, free-flying satellites the size of a volleyball that have been aboard the International Space Station since 2003. A smartphone turns a satellite into a telerobot that can take pictures and video, help conduct inspections using sensors, and send data from the space station to Mission Control in Houston through a Wi-Fi connection. Inspired by a floating droid in the movie Star Wars, these satellites are also being used to conduct experiments in space robotics. NASA Administrator Charles Bolden was at the Ames Research Center in Silicon Valley and visited a research lab testing the technology. In May, 2 Project Tango Android devices will hitch a ride to the International Space Station on Orbital 2. They will be able to connect to any of the 3 spheres on board the ISS. You may have heard of Google's Project Tango, a prototype 5-inch smartphone that includes a 3D sensor, which allows the device to track its own position and create a 3D model of the surrounding area. This is a significant difference from current handsets that can only see a 2-dimensional world through a single camera. NASA is researching how well the 3D modeling and visual odometry can be used by the satellite to learn and maneuver through its environment based on what it sees. Eventually, NASA wants robots to take routine, repetitive, or dangerous tasks in space out of human hands. Melissa Aparicio, San Francisco, IDG News Service.